Yes, children. First we finished the point. Which one? It is the young ones of animals and human babies. Yes. And the second point, taking care of babies. We finished today that. Okay. In the previous class we finished about the young ones of animals and human babies. Okay. Today we finish this. And the next point is adopting babies and animals into the family. What is this adoption? Do you know adopting? Do you know adopting? Yes. I am going to tell you, children. Don't worry. Yes. The father and mother. The father and mother. For example, father and mother is there. And they don't have a children. They don't have a children. Yes. They are going to bring one child. Bring one child. And they are going to adopt the child. And make a member of the family. Make a member of the family. Then they will do the adoption. This is called the adoption. Some families bring home a child of other parents as their own. As their own. They make them part of their own family. This is called the adoption. This is called the adoption. And okay, do you understand about that, children? Yes. The parents who adopt them are called adoptive parents. Adoptive parents. They love and take care of a new child as their own. They will bring the child and they will take care of them as their own. After the adoption, the adopted child lives with his or her parents in their home. They will bring the child from there. Yes, they will bring the child as their own, and they will make a family member and they will look after with love and care. Okay, they are the adoptive parents. And some children also, they lose their parents. They lose their parents. What we will call them? We will call them as orphans. We will call them as orphans. We will call them as orphans. Those who don't have the father and mother. And we are lucky to have a father and mother and our family. We are very lucky. Yes, children? Yes, we are lucky. And whereas the same thing happens in the animals. Yes, it happens in the animals also. The young ones, they will lose their mother. And see, the young ones also, another animal also will come and look after them. They will come and look after them. Okay? And it is an amazing fact. Amazing fact means, wow, I also don't know this. What is this? Do you know the young ones of the cuckoo are taken care by the other birds? How is it possible? How it is possible? Oh, it is cunning cuckoo. Why? It is going to lay the eggs in others birds' nest so that the young ones are feeded and brought up by those birds. In the another nest it is going to lay the eggs, the cuckoo. And that bird which is built, it is not going to build the nest also. It is going to lay the eggs in others birds' nest. Yes. And children, have you learnt about the adoptive parents? Yes, we have learnt. Sometimes people take up the responsibility of the child without adopting. They are called the foster parents. It is called as the foster parents. Yes, children, you have understood how you have to be in discipline and you have to listen to your parents' words and you have to do nowadays the studies. It is going on in the phone. Yes, children, you please take care of that. You have to do your work day to day. And if you have to complete today work today itself, be careful and give the concentration on your studies, children. Take the concentration, keep the concentration and take care of the studies. Okay, children? Take the textbook, children. Page number 2. Okay. Understanding part. Young ones of animals. Read after me. Put the finger which word you are reading. Read properly. Okay. Young ones of animals mostly depend on their mother for food. animals that lay eggs, collect food, and feed their babies. Have you ever seen how a baby bird is fed by its mother? Animals that give birth to young ones feed the babies on their milk. You might have seen calves, kittens, or puppies drinking milk from their mother's body. Page number 3, children. Like other baby animals, a human baby also depends on its mother for food and protection. When a baby is born, the mother and father take care of their baby with the help of other family members. Babies need a lot of time and care from their parents. Your parents have taken care of you since you were a baby. Do you have a younger sibling? Do you like to spend time with them or her? How do you take care of your sibling? Sometimes, if a mother spends more time with a baby to take care of it, an older child may feel left out. Do you know your mother and father were also born as small babies? Their parents too took care of them. Maybe they went to school when they were small. They also had homework to do. They may have played with their friends and learned new things. Their parents even scolded them for being naughty and doing something wrong. They may have fought with their siblings and cried. Ask your parents what they did when they were kids. Application. Sometimes the young ones of animals lose their mother. Have you seen small puppies left alone without a mother to look after them? Sometimes some other animals may look after those young ones. Also, some people may bring them home and keep them as their pets. Page number 4, children. Turn the page, okay? Similarly, some children also may lose their parents. The children who have lost both their parents are called orphans. Some parents may take up the responsibility of such babies or children. Some families bring home a child of other parents as their own child. They make them part of their own family. This is called adoption. The parents who adopt them are called adoptive parents. They love and take care of their new child as their own. After adoption, the adopted child lives with his or her new parents in his or her new home. Suppose you have adopted a puppy. What will you do to take care of it? How can you make sure that the puppy is well taken care of? Do you have any friends or relatives who have adopted young ones of any animals? Amazing facts. Did you know that the young ones of the cuckoo are taken care of by other birds? Cuckoos always lay their eggs in the nests of other birds. So, their young ones are fed and brought up by those birds. Higher order thinking skills. You have learnt about adoptive parents. Sometimes people take up the responsibility of a child without adopting them. They are called foster parents. A foster parent may take up the responsibility of many children who were not born to them. Growing up with the care of parents and family is important for children. A child needs the care of all family members. Who takes care of you at home? Which family member spends more time with you? Generally, mother spends more time to look after their babies. What are the things a father can do for a baby? Find out. Children, take your classwork. Before that, we have written 10 words. Yes, the new words. First lesson. Okay. And you have to write 3 times, I said. You have to draw the line in the middle of the page. Here, I have given 1 time. Okay. And first 1 time. It is second time and the third time. Today, we are going to write next 10 words. Okay. And scolded, SCOLDED, scolded. Naughty, NAUGHTY, naughty. Orphan, ORPHAN, orphan. Adoption, ADOPTION, adoption. ADOPTIVE, adoptive. Responsibility, RESPONSIBILITY, responsibility. Relatives, RELATIVES, relatives. Cuckoo, CUCKOO, cuckoo. Important, IMPORTANT, important. Fought, FOUGHT, fought. Yes, children, read properly the spellings, and after writing this, draw a line with the scale in this. Write here. Afterwards, turn the page and draw the line with the scale. Again, here you are writing 1 the first time, the second time, and the third time. You should write 3 times. Yes, you should write 3 times. Okay, children? Children, you have to write the classwork. What is the classwork? I have given 10 new words. New words from the lesson number 1. 10 new words you have to write 3 times. You have to write 3 times in the classwork. In the classwork. Okay, children? And what is your homework? Your homework is, your homework is to read. To read. Page number 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Page number 3 and 4 in the textbook. In the textbook. Okay, children? Okay, children? Understood?